Welcome back to update 1.55. I am very much excited to show you the MP Prime. This is an amazing shotgun. Let's get started. Let's start with the gadgets. You have various different options actually. You can start with the SRS-02. See that damage? You see that fire rate and that dispersion? Now we're going to switch over to the SRO. You saw that change? I hope you're looking at it. And then you have the very last one on the right, the Romero. This will be the best option for me. From my personal opinion, I like the damage, I like the fire rate and the dispersion, I like the 27,500. I'm going to spend that. I want a mix in between of the best items. Now, I'm also going to start with the magenta laser, which used to be the best one. Now you have the new one, the CQBL1, which will be the best one for this category. And when it comes to the barrel, you have various different options. You can start with the CK Pro. You see that damage, that fire rate and that dispersion? Let's move over to the other one, the CK RCB. And then the last one, which is actually the better one for me personally, the Salvo 12. I like a balance between the damage, the fire, and the dispersion. So I'm actually going to go for the CK RCB because I like that balance. And of course, we're going to use the Cartis drum because it gives you the most ammunition, 22,500 gold. And when it comes to the camouflages, we're going to use the Alpha, of course. It has this very unique camouflage. You give them a headshot and you can see it on your screen right there. Or you can use the Engraved, which looks pretty cool as well, 9,000 gold. Or you can use any of the classics. Again, I'm going to use the Alpha because I like it. Yes, we're going to spend quite a bit of gold on this weapon, but it is very powerful. Do me a favor, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you leave. I'll make a comparison soon with this weapon and the FBARM. We're going to reach this one to plus 40 with only 927 points. Pretty good for a weapon that's powerful. Worth it. Let's take a look. Damage is now 770. Fire rate 225 rounds per minute. Insane. Dispersion amazing at 3.1. Distance even more incredible at 18. And ammo 12 out of 36. It's like a combination of the Origin and the FBARM. This weapon is powerful. Highly suggested. I'm going to use the Mask of the Hunter because of the speed, the 12% running speed and the 10% headshot damage. But if you do not have it, don't worry, you can use the Snow Leopard mask. It'll give you plus 10% damage. It'll really help you out. And their armor points, those will be an enormous help. But I'm going to use the one of the Hunter. I'm going to use the gloves of the Hunter as well because of the health regeneration. I really like that. It's a really big help. But if you don't have them, don't worry, use the Snow Leopard gloves. Those will really help you out. It'll help with the skills and it has a good amount of armor as well. Or you can use the elite gloves. That's also an option, either or. I'm also going to use the Snow Leopard armor. What it does is it gives you an amazing help with that huge armor. And then it has a special skill when you pick up those metal plates. It increases your health, or I'm sorry, your armor by 50%. Now I'm also going to use the Snow Leopard boots. The reason for that, it has the same speed of the Kevlar, the 16%. But if you knife somebody, it increases your speed by 40%. Doesn't that sound amazing? Let's see the weapon with the skills and the equipment we're wearing. Damage is now 827.75. Dispersion 2.4 for a shotgun. That's insane. Fire rate 247.5. Let's cruise down. Distance is now 26.6. You can see all the stats right in front of you. Headshot damage is 1,345. Running speed 35%. And reload speed 136%. A bit low, but this weapon is very powerful. So I'll take it over the reload. Just dance around, jump around, move around, evade the bullets. Now, do me a big favor. Again, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.
Enemy launched the stalker drone.
Be ready to fight and be ready to kill.
Tango with my sight!
I'ma make it to the top. Tryna cut the game now. You cannot break me. This world's not for the taking. Got an inch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top of the segment. Thinking I'll try to with my sight. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goal. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it. But
enemy got support with turret.
Got a killer instinct and it's just the beginning. Breaking down walls in the
enemy stalker drone launched.
Pushing a fast start, trip until you're the only one standing up straight, winning all. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill. Make this all world, gonna die on this.
Enemy turret is firing.
never give up, no, we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time
I have contact!
to make this all work and die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill.
Tango in my sight. Enemy stalker drone launched. Target detected.
It's out there for the taking. You just gotta wanna keep chasing. Put you everything you're facing.
Tango
Keep
in
it
my
fighting.
sight.
Adrenaline rush, starts racing. Get through all the things you hate in. Don't let the others in charge of your dreams. They just don't know what it takes to be seen. Feel the shit take control of your team. And
Enemy
if you're
turret
a little
activated.
one-man army, so you better be starving. And you
Target
better be
detected.
carving. Through the hate, keep marching. And every day keep charging ahead till you get what you want, what you dream. Regret is a thing of the past, and you'll see that you always had it inside. It's the key to make the most of this life believe. No, we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill. To make this all world, come and die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. We never give up, no, we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill. To make this all world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to
Target
fight,
detected.
be ready to kill.
Target detected.
Never give up, no, we never sit still. It's time to stand
Enemy stalker drone launched.
to make this all world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill.
Dark sight. Enemy turret is firing. I have contact. Enemy turret set. Enemy launched the stalker drone. Target
All day for the taking. Wanna keep chasing, put you everything you're facing. Keep up with the pacing, adrenaline rush starts racing. Get through all the things you hate in. Don't let the others in charge of your dreams. They just don't know what it takes to be seen. You see the shit take control of your team, and if you're alone, then a one-man army.
Tango
So
in
you
my
better be
sight.
starving,
Taking fire.
and you better be carving. Through the hate, keep marching. And every day keep charging ahead till you get what you want, what you dream. Regret is a thing of the past, and you'll see that you always had it inside. It's the key to make the most of this life believe. No, we never
I have contact.
stand up, time to take the red pill. To make this all world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. We never give up, no, we never
Enemy
sit
turret
still.
activated.
It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill. To make this all world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill.
Enemy launched the stalker drone. I have contact. Not yet. I have contact. Taking tagged and tagged.
First things first, hurt, that's the worst, yeah. Tainted minds like a curse, put me in a hearse. I just don't wanna feel
Enemy
anymore.
turret activated.
I just don't wanna feel anymore. Open up your live. There's still so much life to give. Ain't it already short enough? My story lives. I'ma do right. I'ma do
Enemy turret in action.
I'ma move towards the light.
Enemy stalker drone launched.
There's no stopping now. We can't fall down. My heart's popping out. I got options now. No consequences, no boxing now. I'll be wildin' now, finding out what life's about. I'll be driving down, screaming till
Enemy
my
stalker
lungs
drone
are out.
launched.
And when there's highs and lows, the tide's gonna flow. Just don't let
Enemy stalker drone launched.
I have contact!
Enemy stalker drone launched.
Taking fire! Target detected!
Enemy stalker drone launched.
Taking fire! I'm hit! Target detected! I'm hit!
Enemy stalker drone launched.
Every minute with the beat, the drink, I put the mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work hard,
Enemy turret is firing.
I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns out,
Enemy stalker drone launched.
I think I'm all hate like a hobby. I'm out here making
Enemy
moves like a
stalker
zombie.
drone
And if you
launched.
ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts. I'm a pipe target what I like real fast. So until I have everything, I attack everything that I lack.
Enemy
Everything that I
turret
want,
set.
everything that I back.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything.
Tango
if I
in
can
my
just
sight.
think carefully. I control my destiny. Made up in my mind, I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed.
Target detected!
Everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.
Enemy launched the stalker drone.
Hit!
Enemy stalker drone launched.
Target detected! Target bagged and down! Tango in my sight!
Look what I'm becoming. In my mind I'm running all around circles.
Bagged and down!
And my mind is like a
Yeah! Taking fire!
if I could just believe
Enemy launched the stalker
I
drone.
can turn. Cause I'm my own worst
Target
enemy.
detected!
Enemy
Only
turret
if I
set.
let it be. I can control anything if I can just
Tango in my sight!
I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it.